Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize app animations on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To do that, first we're gonna need to download the GoodLock Samsung application. It's available both on Google Play Store and Galaxy Store, so just open the one that's available in your region, then open the search field and search for GoodLock. Once you find this app, download and install it. Open it and agree to terms of service once you enter it to continue. And this will open a list of modules for us. Now what we're looking for is the Home App module. So just tap the download icon next to it, then open the Home App module. If it asks you for any permissions, give it to the app. Then switch the toggle to the right next to on. Select gesture settings and let's turn them on. Here, select app open animation tuning. Then turn it on. And then you can either select simple tuning and adjust the speed of the app animation when you tap on the application, or you can use an advanced tuning instead by tapping right here. Then go into detailed settings. Here you can change the duration of the app animation. So the longer the duration, the more time it will take for your app to open. Here you can change the interpolator. By moving these two circles and see the preview of what it will look like right now. Now the duration of the app window alpha animation, and also the interpolator for it too. Then the progress bound, the end and the start with separate sliders, and also the interpolator for this feature. Then we also have the interpolator for the corner radius to adjust the corner radius of the app. And below we can also adjust the adjust the wallpaper max scale, and also the duration for the wallpaper animation. And here we have also the settings for the home screen. And that's basically it. And if you want to, you can also reset settings by tapping reset button at the bottom and then start again. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.